Reynolds joined other conservative governors today in rejecting the idea of so-called vaccine passports, even though some U.S. businesses and colleges want proof that people are protected against COVID-19. KCCI's Chris Gothard is live tonight with the complicated legal questions surrounding the passport proposal.
Yeah, this really has become a political hot potato, Steve. I spoke to a health law expert who says there's a lot to unpack here.
I strongly oppose vaccine passports.
On Wednesday, Governor Reynolds echoed other GOP governors in opposing so-called vaccine passports. Florida's governor has already banned them for government and business, citing privacy and constitutional concerns. Some countries are implementing passes that show proof of vaccination. New York State already has a voluntary passport, and some companies see them as a way to safely reopen. So could Iowa businesses require proof of vaccination right now?
Yes, I believe that they could.
Attorney and Drake University professor Denise Hill says requiring proof of vaccination isn't new, whether it's yellow fever vaccinations for international travel or childhood shots for school. But what is new is the vast scope of COVID-19 vaccine passports. Many people have privacy and data security concerns.
Whatever system is put in place needs to have security and privacy protections. And I'm not sure that we're there yet.
She says there are questions over how private vaccination records are versus other medical information. And she says courts may take a look at whether passport requirements would discriminate against those with medical exemptions under the Americans with Disabilities Act, amid concerns that passports create a second class of citizens. But she also says businesses may argue in court that bans violate their rights as private entities. Hill says it's a complicated and now politicized issue, one some companies may decide is not worth wading into.
For some, they're going to say, you know what, it's not worth the battle. We'll just have people continue to wear masks. In other cases, they may say, you know, the risk is just too high.
Now, one law Hill says doesn't really apply here is HIPAA. That only applies really to the healthcare industry, and a few provisions apply to employers, but it does not, contrary to what some believe, apply to employers. Now, the Biden administration says it does not support mandating a vaccine passport on the federal level. Steve?
All right, thank you.